showed everyone that taking care of their kidneys wasn't just about a quick cleanse. It was about nourishing and supporting these vital organs with phase 100 power. Remember,
Oh yeah, that's why
friends,
everybody can
you can
get a
eat
link
kidney
so they can
hero
hit them
too by
three
enjoying
dots.
the
Go
goodness
ahead,
of
check everybody
cranberries,
out. Shout
apples,
out to the replay
spinach,
gang. That's why you got to
ginger,
keep you some
garlic,
links ready.
and turmeric.
They might not work during the
Ready
vertical,
to
but
be a
they work
superhero
afterwards for the
for your
replay
health?
fam. Shout out to
Visit
y'all.
www.superfoodparents.com and join the Nutribel community to learn how to nourish your body like the residents of this vibrant town.
I feel sorry for the people that are just binge watching me because they just now getting to know me. Because they see all the same commercials sometimes. That's what I got to do is.
Why? You okay? Yeah, I'm good. Why? I mean, I don't think it's necessary. If you about to cry. No. I mean, how much higher are you trying to get? This boy high. Take me home. Let's go.
I got an Amazon Prime box, even though it sort of looks upside down. Well, I mean, it is upside down, so I hide the label, but it's upside down.
Yeah, I know she's one of my favorite level 2 Buy Me a Coffee members. Appreciate her for supporting your boy. Y'all know to go check her out. Links in the chat.
Miles of this stuff.
If you get people on Rumble, y'all know to just look her up on YouTube. Shouts out to who? I'll let you see. My Linda.
Some coloring, adult coloring. And if I remember correctly, camera too close. Let's see if I can open it with one hand. I remember this is a 80-piece set of colors and such. Oh, no, this is the markers. So these are supposed to be alcohol markers. The lady I'm watching, ooh, that's a pretty color. The lady I'm watching did a picture in alcohol markers, and it was real pretty. There's another color that's pretty. It was real pretty the way that it blended together. I can't see the bottom of that well enough to know if it has the name of a color on it or what. I'm assuming it does. Packing label.
Uh-oh, he came in on the under bucket. Appreciate that.
This one says baby blue.
Well, with a big homie, hopefully you're smoking good, doing good.
That I got.
It's what, almost time to get off work for your ass, ain't it? Almost.
The lady's name is Eileen Vick, and she does coloring books.
Shout out to them 9 to 5s.
This is one of them, Mischievous Fairies. So she does what she calls grayscale, and that helps you know where to lay down the darker colors. And this will be fun to go through. I don't know, maybe I'll do that on camera. And then what else do I get? I believe these are the pencil colors. And you probably need more of these. Because the people that I see online, they have 72 pieces. But the people and they show you the colors. The people I see online have colored pencils and colored pencils and colored pencils. I couldn't decide what to buy, what was a good brand or not, because I don't know enough yet. I hadn't done this before. Some things I've done before, but not this.
Shout out to Melinda for putting in some homework on getting into a new hobby. I appreciate that. You know, that's one of the things we over here trying to cultivate in 2025. Doing your homework and then doing your own work. You dig?
So I just